Yes, yes. I am very busy right now making a video. Yeah, I will call you right back, alright? So, haven't made any videos lately. My excuse is I got the Sony a7S III, which is phenomenal. It makes shooting video for a beginner so much funner compared to the GH5. So my excuse was I didn't have a CF whatever A card reader, so I ordered one and it didn't show up, and they're still trying to charge me, but that's another issue. But now I found out you could just hook the USB-C up to the computer and it'll transfer the files pretty quick, really. I mean, so here's one of my favorite stores. Local photographers. So now I've been cleaning up the house, a lot of mess for Christmas, but hopefully I can make a video out of this right here, because all I will do is import, export, post. Okay, got my triple Americano. I used to get the quad. I'm trying to drink a little less caffeine these days. Pretty good. It's pretty good. Like I was saying on the phone just now, I'm trying to get a video out. Tonight, I usually get the kids to bed by 9. Maybe I'll clean the house till 10 or get the fireplace going or something. Hopefully I get between 2 hours of work in between 10 and midnight, or 10 and 1, 2 hours. So I should really get this video and start on some other projects or work on some other projects. Right now I'm doing laundry at work, and the washer's going, so I went to get coffee. What else is new? 2021, my quest for my YouTube. Get to over 100 subs. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I can't do much different than what I've been doing. And somehow generate like $200 passive type income a month by 2022. So it will at least pay for my Adobe subscription, a couple other subscriptions that I don't am going to have and don't have yet. I mean, like $200 for subscriptions. So that feels like it's free, because I don't make as much money anymore. The credit card companies, they cut me off in the middle of COVID because I couldn't pay one card. So I can't put nothing on credit anymore, which means I won't spend near as much money, because some things are a trap for someone like me. I mean, it's just too easy to click and buy. But I got all the gear I need anyway. I got the, like I was saying earlier, Sony a7S III. I am thrilled that I went into debt for that. I mean, I can easily document my kids and my family and my life, and that's what I look at this channel as. Is it's going to be fun? It's going to be something I can look back at in the future and just be so glad I did it, whether I ever make a penny with it or not. In 20 years I want to look back and be like, oh my God, my kids, look when they were so small and loving, and all they wanted to do is be held or cry and play, and the joy that is in their eyes when they see me come home from work. It's just like heaven. I feel like I'm in heaven. I mean, sometimes my knees ache, my shoulder does ache from holding the camera up right now, and all it is a little action camera. And my elbows, wrists, knees. That's the exercises I'm going to work on once I get done with the walking. Walking's #1 priority right now. I have some kettlebells. They're real light. I should probably use them, but I should work on my knees, wrists, elbows, and shoulders above everything. That's what I'm going to need to do anything. Hello? No bird. It's a microphone wind blocker. Someone thought my dead cat was a bird, and I was just carrying around a bird and talking to a bird. They were giving me some funny looks. I don't remember where I was, lost my train of thought. Oh, another thing, I want to figure out how to go live and record my screen, because I know there's a lot of tutorials on YouTube, but I want to like ask some how-to videos, like tell me how to do this in the comments. Maybe that'll be the new thing. You know, some people could take time out of their hand and help some smaller creators like me. Oh my God, I did not see that, but those waves are just, that's so bad. Those waves are awesome. Wow, you can see them crash from here. I'm sure you can't in this camera, but man. Whew. I hope I can get out there today with the camera, but I got a newborn and a 2-year-old, 3-year-old really, so I don't know. The 3-year-old loves rain, it won't bother him, he's like dad. But then I miss the infant when I'm away from him. But like I was saying, oh, new subject. I may give the most thumb downs on videos out of anybody I know. Wait a minute, I don't know very many people, so of course I do. And the reason is, how many videos do you have where they say, like, subscribe, and leave a comment? And so you leave a comment and they don't answer. You ask a question, they tell you to leave a comment, and then they ignore it. Or they just like it, like, what the heck is that? Blah, 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 like my comment? I mean, okay, respond to it if you're gonna ask for it. I think that might be it for now. I'm going back to the laundry. I hope I can post this tonight on my personal channel. See y'all later. Bye.